Hello everyone. Today I am here with a video on how to join Google Classroom via institutional email ID through mobile phone. So this email ID is a Gmail account provided by the college to all of you. So for joining Google Classroom, you must have two things in your Android phone, that is Gmail and Google Classroom. So as we are having lectures from this media Google Classroom. So first of all, we need to log in Gmail. So what we are going to do now, we have to log in Gmail. So by clicking on this picture, you will see the number of accounts that are used in my mobile. So what you need to do is you have to add another account. So it's Google. So we are going to add here Gmail. We have to wait till it's checking information. Now we have to sign. So I am signing in the Gmail through Chopde Yogesh @aca.edu.in. Now I have to enter the password. Even the password is given by the college. So after you successfully log in into the account, you have to change your password. You have to accept it. I agree. It is still in the process. Now I have to click this icon and just go down. So at the last, you will find the Chopri Yogesh account @aca.in. So by clicking here, you will be directed to your new Gmail account, and in this account, so if you see this, you will have the name of a teacher who is teaching you at MCOM costing semester first. So they all have sent you the invitation. What you need to do is you need to just click. So this is the invitation by Professor Anand Raikwad. So you have to click this button, join. One more thing I want to add here is this is how you can join through Google account or Google Gmail account. Another method I just want to tell you is that you can log in via Google Classroom. You have to download this Google Classroom in your mobile. But before joining this Google Classroom, you must be logged in your Gmail. So if you see, we have already logged in through Gmail. So Yogesh Chopre account is showing here. So what I do, I just click here and see. Here is the invitation given by the 4 respective teachers. So MCOM 1, so you are going to join it. Okay, so you are in this class. This is a class by Professor Anand. If you go back, then advanced cost accounting. So just click on this join button. This is a class by Dr. Shabnam Kurung. Next is if you click on this MCOM part 1. So this is a class of Dr. Ravindra Deshmukh sir. If you go back, then we are having last class. You have to click the join. So this is a class by Dr. D.B. Morris sir. So in this classroom. And next step I just want to tell you is we are going to conduct your classes on Google Meet. So what you are going to do is you have to do nothing. You have to just, if you want to join my class, you can just click on the classroom and here is a button of video. You just have to click it. Once you have clicked it, you will be directed to Google Meet, and through this Google Meet you can join our live lectures. Thank you so much.